Hi guys, thank you for tuning back in. Today we're going to be doing a reverse park known as a parallel park on your driving test. So on your driving test, what you will be doing is you will be driving the car along a road. Your examiner will ask you to pull up on the left. When he parks up on the left, he'll tell you to park reasonably close to the car in front. You'll park typically where I am now with the vehicle in front, and your examiner will tell you to imagine three cars, removing a centre car and you parallel parking between two parked cars. So he will tell you to reverse behind this car in front of you and imagine a car behind you. Essentially what that means to you is imagine three cars, car A, car B and car C. Remove car B and you will be parking there. So the first thing I do is, when I'm doing a parallel park, is I make sure that I've adjusted my mirrors correctly. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my right mirror is adjusted and I can see my door handles. In my left door mirror, exactly the same. It's crucial that your mirrors are adjusted correctly. A, it gives you good all-round observations, and B, you can see what's going on around you. It's a good idea to open your windows slightly. You can hear oncoming cars, especially nowadays that we've got hybrid and electric cars that make very little noise. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get ready to go. So I'm into drive, I'm doing my all-round observations, making sure it's safe. I can see there's no cars coming. I've looked into my blind spot. I'm going to go alongside the car, so you'll see I'm looking into my blind spot. Look behind me, make sure nobody's coming. Looking all the way around, looking in all my mirrors, stopping alongside this vehicle on my left. I'll come to a stop here. Now that I've come to a stop, I know there's nobody behind me. I'll put the car in reverse, look all the way around and make sure there's nobody approaching my car, and there's nobody. So I'll gently start reversing while I'm making effective observations. Now you'll see that the car's disappeared out of my camera. So I'm looking in my left mirror, right mirror, there's nobody coming. I'm going to do a full look to the left. As I've done a full look, I've got like a triangle or a pizza slice between the blue car and my car. Again, looking around, making sure it's safe, and I'll straighten my front wheel. So you'll see that my wheels were facing that way, then now straight. Looking all around, making sure it's safe. As I'm coming backwards, you'll see my pace is gentle. So you'll see that my speed is actually just short of 1 mile an hour. Coming back nice and slow. Now if I need to, if I want to, I can bring the door mirror down, but I usually use that line there touching the end of that pavement. So I'm looking around, there's nobody at the moment. So I come back a few more inches. Now I can see that car, so I'm going to come to a stop. And now he stops. I'm going to do a full look to right. I may have taken his parking space. Once I'm perfectly straight with the car in front, like this, make sure there's no other car coming, I'll straighten my front wheels. Now I made sure that no car can park between me and the blue coloured car. The interpark, handbrake on, feet off the pedals, and that I believe is a reasonable bay park. You can see in the door mirror there that I'm reasonably close to the curb. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.